I'm gonna show you how to create a library of banging music tracks in any style you can imagine using V5, Suno's latest music model that allows you to generate music in any style your little heart desires. So I'm gonna show you immediately how easy it is to create music with Suno. You're gonna sign in, head over to create, and it's gonna take us to the dashboard where we can simply drop in a prompt, choose a couple of metrics, and receive a track within a minute. So my absolute favorite genre is drum and bass. You'll hear it as a background track on all my videos, and I use Suno to create those, which means I no longer have to subscribe to things like Artlist, Epidemic Sound. I can create and have created my own massive library of drum and bass tracks, as well as other music tracks, depending on client work that I'm building or anything you really want to use this for to develop music. So it's as simple as typing in a prompt. So we're gonna say a melodic jungle drum and bass track. Gonna keep it super simple. You can choose instrumental. I'm going to, for this example, hit create. And in under a minute, you're gonna get a track that you can listen to. So whilst we wait for that, let's have a look at V5 and exactly what it is and what makes it different. So it gives you this intelligent composition architecture, meaning you can design tracks, but then also edit them and take out stems, meaning specific sounds within the track that you can either isolate or use to develop or extend your track further. You get adaptive creative intelligence, persistent voice and instrument memory, professional control suite, and a streamlined workflow and remaster tools. So once you've built the track that you want, you can remaster it to add quality and depth. And this is a tool that I've been using for many months, and it is hands down one of my favorite AI tools, and the only tool I use at the moment to develop music tracks. So the real benefit of using Suno is how you can create music that is essentially your own, and you can use it to build out music videos, single tracks, background music, and even create sound effects. So feel free to head over to this page if you want to get a better idea of what V5 is and how you can use it. And also keep in mind the risks and limitations. So there's ongoing copyright issues that Suno is facing, but this doesn't really affect users at the moment. You can also consider things like vocal authenticity limitations, memory limitations, and gated access. But this is such a cost-effective tool to use. The pricing of Suno starts at $8 a month. This is the plan I'm on. It's the Pro plan and allows you to create up to 500 songs, which is pretty ridiculous for $8. Or if you become a power user, you can upgrade to $24 a month on the Premier plan. So let's hop back into Suno and give this a listen. So it's named it Echoes in the Canopy. Let's see if this is a good drum and bass track. Okay, so we're gonna let this play in the background. I am going to show you how you can take each track that is created and either remaster it, remix it, or extend it. So you can just pop over to the three dots here. You can choose to remix. You get so many options to have creative control over the music that you create. You can create personas if you want to build a library. You can remaster on the Pro version if you want to create a higher quality wave format version of each track. And as you can see, there's so many features here that allow you to build this library. And as you can hear, it's really high quality. And from here, I can choose to break down the stems, either add different sounds, remove different sounds, and have full creative control over a music track that literally took a couple of minutes to create. I hope this is useful. Give Suno a try if you want to create your own music. and let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching.